video is about session 10, calculate data across worksheets. As we have learned in the earlier sessions, the most useful and popular feature of Microsoft Excel is its ability to analyze data and perform calculations on it. This session explains the way to calculate the sum or total when working with cell data located in multiple worksheets. In other words, we are going to learn how to take the value of a cell located in one worksheet and add it to the value of another cell located in the another worksheet to come up with the total of respective cells. Now let us consider a scenario wherein we have three worksheets, P1, periodic 1, periodic 2, P2 and consolidate. In consolidate we are going to calculate the total of P1 and P2, periodic 1 marks and periodic 2 marks. So let me see how can we do this. We have three worksheets, P1 for periodic 1 marks, P2 for periodic 2 marks and consolidate, in which we are going to calculate the total of periodic 1 and periodic 2. So let me see how can we do this. We have to open the consolidate worksheet. Now select the cell C5 and type the given formula equal to sum in bracket start. Then we have to give the sheet name P1 exclamation mark, cell address C5, then P2 second sheet name exclamation mark and cell address that we are going to add and then close the bracket. Now let us understand the above formula. Equal to sum depicts the name of the inbuilt function. This function add up the values present in the parentheses delimited by comma. Now P1 exclamation mark C5 depicts the cell reference C5 of the worksheet P1 to be used for calculation, then comma P2 exclamation mark C5 depicts another cell reference C5 of different worksheet P2 to be used for calculation. Now press the enter key. Now we have got the total of periodic 1 and periodic 2 of sheet P1 and P2. Now with the help of autofill feature we can calculate all students total P1 plus P2. So in this way we can calculate data across different worksheets. So this is all about the session 10.